Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. So I will put b over 2 go to the left and we have 2u over b. Next, we put the power number 2 for the both sides. This one we have s squared plus 1. This one that is about 4u squared over b squared. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have 2u. This one we have 2s. This one that is about the constant. So you got number 0. Next, we divide both sides by number 2. Now we need to change the bounds. When s equals to number 0 in here. So I will put number 0 go in here to find the value of u. So u equals to b over 2. When s equals to the square root of number 3. So I will put this one go in here. So we can find the value of u that is about b. So number 0 we change for b over 2. This one that is about b. This one that is about u. The s that is about this one. Next, we can use about integration by pass. So I will put about t equals to this one. So we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. dv that is about cosine u du. The integration of this one that is about v equal to sine u. So we have t multiplied by v. And now I will put the bounds from b over 2 to b. Minus, we have dt multiplied by v. So we have the integration from b over 2 to b. And then we have sine u du. So the integration of this one with the negative that is about positive cosine u. And now we have the final answer. So I will put B gone here and B over 2 gone here. Similar for the second one. So we calculate this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.